Okay, so good afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so how are you today?
I'm okay.
Are you good?
Yes.
Okay, so it seems like some of you are not just so energized. So let us first have our energizer. Who wants to lead? 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo.
Baby shark, louder.
Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. We are now waiting.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you, kids. You may go back to your seat. Okay, so I think you're all energized. And are you ready for this afternoon's activity?
Yes.
Okay, so before that, let me first introduce myself. So by the way, I am the mother of one of your classmates, Christian John Rabbit. I am Golden Pauline Rabbit, but you may call me Tita Pauline. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, so do you like to have some story?
Yes.
Okay, so who wants to hear some story? Alright. How about you, dear? You love to hear some story? Okay. So the title of our story is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Or familiar with this story? You are familiar with this story? Let me just refresh this story for some of your classmates are not yet aware or familiar with this story. Okay? Alright, so let's start.
Yes.
Okay, so once upon a time, there was a little girl whose name is Goldilocks. She has a golden hair and she loves to play every day. One morning, as she was playing outside her house, she saw a colorful and beautiful butterfly. She tries to capture the butterfly, but it flew away. So Goldilocks chased the butterfly and unknowingly she reached in the middle of the woods. She was lost then. Oh my God! I'm lost! I don't know how to find my way back home. And then after which, she tries to walk and look around if someone willing to help her. And then she found a small house. And then she reached or she approached the house and knocked the door first. Knock, knock, knock. But nobody answered. So she went inside the house without hesitation and somebody home, but nobody answered again. And she smelled some delicious food straight from the kitchen. What's that smell? It makes me hungry. And then she went straight to the kitchen and found 3 bowls of porridge. There was a large bowl of porridge, a medium bowl, and a small bowl of porridge. As she was very hungry, she had a taste on the first large bowl of porridge. She scooped. This porridge is too hot. And then she tasted the second bowl of porridge. This porridge is too cold. I don't like it. And then lastly, she tasted the small bowl of porridge. Yummy! This porridge seems right. I love it. And then she ate it all up. I'm so full now. After which, she decided to have some rest for a moment. I think the owner of the house will not mind if I have a short rest for a moment. And then she went straight to the living room and found the 3 chairs. There was a large chair, a medium-sized chair, and a small chair. She first sat on the large chair. Oops, this chair is too hard. And then she transferred on the second chair. Oops, this chair is too squishy. And then lastly, she sat on the small chair. So comfortable. I like this chair. It seems perfect for me. But crack! The chair was broken into pieces. Oops! I broke the chair. But it doesn't stop there. The naughty Goldilocks still decided to have some rest and went upstairs. As she reached the bedroom, she found 3 beds. A large bed, a medium-sized bed, and a small one. She first laid on the large bed. Oops! This bed is not comfortable at all. It's too hard. So she transferred on the second bed. Oops! This bed is too soft. I don't like it either. So finally, she transferred on the smallest bed. So comfortable. I like this bed. It seems so perfect for me. And then all of a sudden, she pulled over the blanket and fell asleep soon. Meanwhile, wait for a moment. Meanwhile, the 3 bears came home from their short walk in the woods. They were the owner of the house. And then, after which, entering the house, "Somebody has eaten my porridge," said the Papa Bear. "Oh my God! Somebody has eaten my porridge too," said the Mama Bear. "Ooh, somebody has eaten all of my porridge." And then out of curiosity, they thought herself that someone is invading our house. Let's look for him. Okay, so without hesitation, the 3 bears roam around in the corners of their house and found the messy chairs. "Somebody has sat on my chair," said the Papa Bear. "Somebody has sat on my chair too," said the Mama Bear. "Ooh, somebody has sat on my chair. It was broken into pieces," cries the baby bear. And so they continue searching for the culprit, and they decided to went upstairs. And there, as they reached the bedroom, they found the messy beds. "Somebody has laid on my bed," said the Papa Bear. "Somebody has laid on my bed too," said the Mama Bear. "Oh, somebody has laid on my bed too, and she's still there." And out of their anger, they roared. They were very angry with Goldilocks with what she did. For which suddenly, Goldilocks woke up with very scared face. "Oh my God! Help me!" And then Goldilocks jumped in the bed and went down on the stairs and ran and ran and ran. And after which, Goldilocks had promised herself that she will never ever go back to the woods again. And the 3 bears live peacefully because they haven't seen Goldilocks ever again. And that is the story about Goldilocks and the 3 bears. So did you enjoy the story?
Yes!
What do you think is the moral of the story? You know, the moral of the story for us is for us to be always mindful of our action. No? Especially, we should not disobey our parents. If they say, "Do not go there," do not go there. It might be dangerous or risky for you. You should always follow and listen to your parents. Alright?
Alright.
Okay, so again, the moral of the story is for us to be always mindful of our action. And thank you for paying attention, and I assume that you have enjoyed and learned something out of the story. So I think that's it. Thank you and God bless. Until next time, and God bless everyone. Happy hands!